Welcome back to my channel. As you know, I've recently done a glow plug change on my Volvo S60 D5. Glow plugs are really easy to change on that car. It's a dawdle, they're right in front of you, they're a gift. So if you ever get the chance, you're having trouble with your Volvo, worth checking the glow plugs. I've put a video on there as well of where the relay is. It's down the front of the airbox on mine. You can put your hand in, you can pull it out, it's very easy to get to. The symptoms that I was getting for glow plugs was not hard starting of the car. It was in limp mode all the time. There was no starting issues. The car started fine every time. People think that when you have an issue with glow plugs, the car won't start. It's not the case. This one was just in limp mode all the time, wouldn't do over 50 miles an hour. Now it's fixed. Now I've used a Topdon TopScan, which is a fantastic little piece of kit. That's allowed me to reset all the fault codes. It's allowed me to do a scan afterwards to make sure there's no more fault codes, they're not recurring, which is fine, has been done. It's the first time since I've had the car that I've had no fault codes. So I just want to say that it was TopScan that put me on to changing the glow plugs in the first place, because it pointed me in the right direction really for that. And since then, it's due to TopScan that I've managed to get rid of all the fault codes and fix the vehicle. So right now the car is going absolutely fine. I'm, as you can see, at work, but when I get time off, which will be the beginning of September, I'm going to make a bigger video of outside of my actual Volvo, of all the work that I've done in the Volvo, and we're going to take another run through TopScan, because new features have been added for Volvo. So they've done DPF regen, stuff like that now in the TopScan app. They're updating it all the time. They're a brilliant company, Topdon. I really recommend them. I'm hopefully going to be getting some more stuff to review shortly. So stay tuned. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. I've got 500 viewers now, so I'm happy with that. But the more we can get, the better.